got a big day ahead of me, but I suppose like working on a project that I'm really excited. It's the moment of your life. It's the moment of my life. This is the age of Aquarius. We're officially in it for the next 20 years. We're in that constellation. And if you're a Taurian or any other earth sign, you're in for the ride of your life with the air elements because they will be the dominant element. Aquarius first for 20 years. So hold on to your butts. Be careful what you ask for because you're going to get it. But not if you're not ready for it. So this is the moment of my life. You've got a moment waiting for you. I can't get into the details now. It's just too big. It's too big. I'll share it as I go, okay? But it's the moment of my life. It's the moment I've been wishing for. It's the moment that manifested because I prepared for it. And that's all you have to do is just be ready to receive it. Okay, because you're not going to get anything before you're ready for it. And nothing you don't deserve. So if things aren't exactly going the way you think they should go, take a good look at what do you think you deserve? You think you deserve better? Then you got to do better. Do your best every day. That's all anybody can ask you to do. Do your best on a daily basis. And like Bruce Lee said, be like water. Wear your mask, socially distance. We need 90 days to get on the other side of this with people socially distancing and self-quarantine. Now I'm on day 430 of my self-quarantine. This ish ain't easy. It's not. Maybe I'll pretend it is. But you can do it. But it's the moment of our lives. Wonderful, marvelous, fantastic things. Forget all the mumbo jumbo going on. The pendulum is swinging. Balance must be restored in the force. Okay? Literally. The balance must be restored in the force. That's all you gotta know right now. Peace, love, happiness. May each of you live to be 100 and me 100 minus a day. So I never know that good people like you have ever passed away. I love you. Peace, my brothers and sisters. For those that have transformed and moved on, my brother Artie, I love you. My brother Artie, I love you. I'll see you soon, but not now. Okay? We love you. I love you.